Hello, today we're going to change the air filter on the ride and lawnmower. Open the hood. Got the engine cover right here. It's pretty simple. Unlock it. Pull the cover off. There's the air filter. Order the factory part online. It's a Briggs & Stratton motor. There's the part number. It's pretty simple. Air filter just pulls out and it just pops on. That's all there is to it. Clamp it down. Simple maintenance you can do to your tractor. Thanks for watching. Hope this video helped you out.